afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 68. And the instruction to this question says that choose the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentence. And to question number 68, the sentence here says, we do not accept the punishment dash the boy. We do not accept the punishment dash the boy. Option A, meted to. Option B, meted on. Option C, meted out to. Option D, meted into. All these options are from adverbial phrase. Adverbial phrase. So once you understand phrase and you understand verb, and then you now understand what we call verbal phrase, so you won't have problem with what we call adverbial phrase. And of course, adverb modifies verb in every given expression where adverb featured. Then in phraseology, adverbial phrase in its own content, as a matter of fact, there is nothing like meted into in adverbial phrase. In English dictionary, there's nothing like that. Therefore, option D is not an English expression. Then in English dictionary also, option B is also not an English expression. It's not an adverbial phrase, so you cannot find it in English. And all this, we call them words out of circulation. Then the same thing applicable to option A. So since we cannot find option A, B and D as a form of expression in verbal phrase or adverbial phrase, then the only verbal phrase that you can find in English dictionary is meted out. So we do not accept the punishment meted out to the boy. That when you met, people actually call this word meat, but it is not meat. It's met. But it is pronounced as meat because it's long E by International Phonetic Transcription. So in English dictionary you find adverb or verbal phrase like meted out. So we can say that we do not accept the punishment meted out to the boy, that is pronounced on the boy. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.